Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Marketing Mindset Foundations for Success. Today we have Bhumika Jain here. Hi Bhumika, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I am also good, thanks for asking. So, you look like a rational consumer to me. So I would like to ask you, as a consumer, when you go out to shop, what do you look for in a product? Like what is that one thing or many things that you look for in a product?
In a product, like if I am going for a product, I will definitely look for the brand. If I am familiarized with it, then I will definitely go for it. But if I am not familiarized with the product or its brand, I would go for quality and cost. Like it goes for clothes. Like if you are not familiar with the brand, but you can check the quality, product and cost of it, you buy that.
And I guess things which are in fashion as well, like which are in trends, you would go for such
definitely.
products. And so next question that I would like to ask you, that can you share an example where tapping into the consumer psychology made a marketing campaign more successful for a particular brand or a particular product, whatever?
Right now I can think of Johnson & Johnson.
Okay.
Like they use babies and mothers to portray their quality, their uniqueness, and how they are good. And it appeals to mothers, like they are good for product for their kids, for their babies. Yeah, exactly. And apart from that, I can think of Oreo. Like they have used daughter and father bond in their advertisement, and it looks quite interesting. Like it's very engaging. Like they are playing and eating Oreo, so it's very cute.
And it also signifies the relationship, right?
Yeah, exactly. Relationship between the father and the daughter.
Yeah. Okay. And next, like, have you ever noticed a marketing campaign that really got you? And what did that campaign do differently?
Yeah, with what got you, I can think of Fevicol right now.
Okay.
Like, have you seen their advertisements on television?
Yeah, I have.
They have made a complete song in which they tell about how a sofa was made using Fevicol, and it has been passed from generation to generation.
Yeah.
Like the sofa has been changed, like the cloths on it. वो सब कुछ change हुआ है, बार-बार change हुआ है, and it's been passed on from generations, but it is still solid and it still stays. So it tells about how Fevicol is long lasting, and it is in good quality. And plus, we know that the word is glue, but Fevicol has made it brand positioning.
Glue is signified as
Fevicol. We say like मुझे Fevicol खरीदनी है.
Glue लेनी है,
but we say it Fevicol because they have such good brand positioning.
Yeah, right. So thank you, Bhumika, for joining us today, and we wish you all the best for future.
Thank you.